What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout is an Amazon seller software and product research tool used by over 1 million sellers, retailers, and global brands to help them succeed on Amazon. The Jungle Scout Chrome extension allows users to easily research product opportunities, analyze sales data, and track product performance directly on Amazon's website. Jungle Scout is recognized as having the most accurate sales estimates in the industry, allowing sellers to assess product demand, profitability, market trends, and competitor insights with confidence. Many entrepreneurs and global brands rely on Jungle Scout's data and tools to make informed business decisions when selling on Amazon. Now, let's take a look at some of its key benefits. AI Assist from Jungle Scout offers cutting-edge artificial intelligence capabilities tailored for e-commerce businesses. This feature streamlines operations by automating essential tasks and delivers invaluable insights and recommendations to Amazon sellers. By leveraging AI technology, users can save time through task automation, receive in-depth insights for strategic decision-making, and access expert guidance through the AI Assist chat. Key functionalities include review analysis for customer sentiment insights, AI-generated listings for optimized content creation, profit overview for financial analysis, and real-time support through the AI Assist chat. Keyword Scout is a powerful tool within Jungle Scout designed to enhance Amazon sellers' keywords research strategies. By providing valuable competitor insights, this feature enables users to identify high-performing keywords driving traffic and sales for competitors. With access to comprehensive keyword data, including ad tracking, search volume trends, and PPC costs, sellers can optimize their listings and advertising campaigns to boost visibility and revenue on the Amazon platform. The Jungle Scout extension is a versatile browser tool compatible with Chrome and Firefox browsers, offering instant access to crucial product metrics on Amazon. This feature empowers sellers with real-time sales data, revenue insights, historical performance graphs, advanced filtering options, and an opportunity score to evaluate product potential quickly. By integrating seamlessly with the browser, the extension provides a comprehensive overview of product listings, aiding sellers in making informed decisions and identifying profitable opportunities efficiently. Jungle Scout's product tracker feature allows users to monitor and track the performance of specific product listings over time. By adding products directly to the tracker, sellers can analyze trends, monitor changes in sales metrics, and gain valuable insights into product performance. This tool enables sellers to make data-driven decisions, optimize product strategies, and stay informed about market dynamics to maximize their success on the Amazon platform. Advertising Analytics by Jungle Scout equips Amazon sellers with the tools to analyze and optimize their advertising campaigns effectively. This feature provides valuable insights into ad performance, search volume trends, and PPC costs, enabling sellers to refine their advertising strategies for improved ROI and increased visibility on the Amazon marketplace. By leveraging advertising analytics, sellers can make informed decisions, track campaign effectiveness, and enhance their overall advertising performance to drive sales and maximize profitability. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While Jungle Scout's AI Assist and Chrome extension offer powerful insights and automation, there is a risk of over-reliance on these tools. Sellers may become dependent on the technology for decision-making, potentially overlooking critical market nuances or strategic opportunities that require human judgment and creativity. Jungle Scout's advanced features, such as AI Assist, may come with additional subscription costs beyond the basic plans. This could be a drawback for sellers operating on a tight budget or those who may not fully utilize the advanced functionalities to justify the extra expense. Despite Jungle Scout's reputation for accurate sales estimates and competitor insights, there is always a margin for error in data collection and analysis. Users need to be cautious in interpreting the data provided by Jungle Scout tools, as inaccurate or misinterpretation could lead to flawed business decisions or missed opportunities. In conclusion, Jungle Scout offers a comprehensive suite of tools and features designed to empower Amazon sellers and e-commerce businesses with valuable insights, automation, and competitive advantages. By leveraging cutting-edge technology and data-driven solutions, Jungle Scout equips users with the tools they need to succeed in the dynamic world of online retail. While there may be potential drawbacks to consider, the benefits of using Jungle Scout's features far outweighs the challenges, making it a valuable asset for those looking to thrive in the competitive landscape of Amazon selling. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.